revisiting this scene, back then I said that you can't make the knife tool snap to 45 degrees, which is kind of true. I really wish it did though. Anyway, so what I guess I forgot sort of is that you can set it to fixed, let's say 0.1 meter, and what I can do then is I can kind of make it so this would be, let's see, yeah, anyway, so there it is, 45 degrees, right? Isn't that 45 degrees? 45 there, and I'll just get rid of those, take these guys and snap them back to that position, get rid of junk points, take these, hit E and T and move that out. And like I said, I have a shortcut for lining that up, and so should you. That should be on the X. And that's it. So, but now you gotta turn that off again. So I really wish there was an option for having that, turning that off on. But even better, or rather both, would be to, well, I mean, there's a lot of stuff really that should be fixed in regards to the knife tool snapping and stuff. Anyway, so just revisiting that scene, and yeah, you can get the knife tool to go 45 degrees.